Welcome to the Fun Going Fast channel, and I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on if you've got an older ATV that's got the clouded up headlights, kind of like these cars get. I know they make the headlight cleaning kits that you can get that are like 20 or 30 bucks, but you may actually just have some stuff laying around. So we had this hard water stain remover. You may have it, you know, to clean your showers, and it's pretty straightforward, super easy to use. Just make sure you clean the headlight first, which I already did, but just do a little wipe. Just take a little bit of this stuff, just a little glob about like that, and you're going to rub it on in a semi-circular motion. You can really see it start to remove that residue. This probably would work even better with the microfiber cloth, but there we go. Much better. Do a quick water rinse. Look at that. That is a significantly improved headlight from before. So not bad. So again, any type of hard water stain remover is pretty much what was used. This is made to take hard water off of glass, other products. So if you've got that laying around, don't worry about buying the headlight kit. Just break this out, take about 90 seconds, you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.